Students, I am Professor Masood Fuzail. Today we are going to discuss happiness hormones. Happiness hormones are very important hormones which are produced in our body, which maintain happiness and mood of our life. So let's discuss their structure and their function. There are four happiness hormones. Number one, endorphins, which are also known as runner's high hormones. Serotonin, which is also known as calm hormone. Dopamine, which is also known as reward hormone, and oxytocin, which is also known as love hormone. These hormones are produced in brain and play a very important role in our body functioning, and they especially are help to boost happiness in our life. So first of all, we are going to discuss endorphin. Endorphin are also known as runner's high hormone because they are produced during high exercise, during running or extreme exercise. This is the structure of endorphins. These endorphins are also known as pain relievers. These hormones are produced in our body during severe pain or some kind of distress or stress which is produced in our body. So these hormones are produced during stress or discomfort and helps to relieve stress, pain and discomfort of our body. They works like endogenous morphine. As you know that morphine is a powerful painkiller which is used to treat severe pains of cancer and surgeries. But this is a moderate amount of morphine which is produced inside our brain and work as a painkiller. This hormone is produced in pituitary gland and also stored there, and it is released during stress or discomfort condition. How to boost endorphin? Endorphin can be boosted by doing heavy exercise. You must take a 20 to 30 minutes of extreme exercise like running, cycling. If you are alone, you can join with your friends and go outside and do exercise, which will helps to produce endorphins. These endorphin hormone will cause happiness in your body. This hormone is very essential in producing a sensation of pleasure inside the body. If you are not doing any exercise, then eating a chocolate can also boost this hormone and can cause happiness in your body. And listening to music is also a good booster which can produce this hormone and cause happiness in your mood or swing. The second hormone is known as serotonin, which is also known as calm hormone. Calm hormone, it is the structure of this hormone. This is a hormone and also neurotransmitter. As you know that neurotransmitters are chemical substances which are released at the ends of axons and helps to transmit nerve impulses from different regions of the body. This hormone is very important for our mood, sleep, appetite, digestion, learning and memory. So all these are related to happiness of the body. If you are taking all these things, and then you are happy in your life. If you are not taking all these things, then you are unhappy. This hormone regulates anxiety. It also reduces depression. It also heals wounds. It is also good for your bones and also induce vomiting. How to boost this hormone? You should expose to bright light for at least 15 to 20 minutes during winter season, or during summer season you can sit in that shade of something and take indirect sunlight. It can also be boosted by doing exercise. 15 to 20 minutes of heavy exercise can boost production of serotonin in your body, which helps to relieve you from depression and anxiety and will boost your happiness level. Take a healthy diet. Stop eating junk food which can cause different types of problems in your body. Start taking healthy diet which can boost your hormones and can produce happiness in your body. Meditation is also very important to produce these hormones, these calm hormones. Meditation, whatever your religion is, either you are a Muslim, Christian, Jew or whatever, you should do a meditation according to your belief, and this will help you boost your hormone serotonin level in your body. So take today's life is very busy and everybody is worrying about his work. So take some time out from your busy life and start doing some booster works like exercise, like studying, like listening to music, like eating, like meditation, and start to produce hormones and bring happiness to your life. The third hormone, which is known as dopamine, it is also known as a reward hormone. This is the structure of a dopamine molecule. This is a feeling good hormone. When you feel good, it can produce a feeling good sensation in your mood. It is also a neurotransmitter. It brings pleasure, learning, memory, motor function. For example, if I am going to deliver a video lecture on YouTube and you like my video and you put like on my video and also subscribe to my channel, then and comment it, good comment, then when I see this comment or like button, then dopamine is produced in my body. So whenever we do a small good work for others without any reward, so dopamine is reproduced in your body, which gives you a happiness. So whenever you go to a shopping mall, you buy something, but buying from a shopping mall is not a good thing because they are already millionaires. But if you buy something from a small shopkeeper, you will also meet your demand, but at the same time you are helping a small shopkeeper to earn his income, and that will produce a dopamine in your body and you will feel the sensation of pleasure in your body. So doing small deeds which are deeds of kindness will produce dopamine in your body and can bring lot of happinesses in your body. For example, your mother, your wife, your sister has cooked some meal for you like biryani, like roast, like fish, and if you admire her work, then she will be happy because dopamine is produced in her body and she will be rewarded by the definition which you have done to her. So in this way, small deeds of appreciation, small deeds of kindness can produce this hormone and brings lot of happinesses in your body. The fourth hormone, which is oxytocin, it is also known as love hormone. Its structure is a little bit complicated. As you can see in this diagram, this is love hormone. It is produced during childbirth and it is also produced during breastfeeding, and this is trust hormone. It also produces empathy. It is a bonding relationship between different people. So oxytocin hormone is produced between two friends, between mother and child, between father and son, between two friends or any two person. So this is a love hormone which can be, so this is the life which is very busy. Everybody is worried and everybody is indulged in the its own life, but we should not disconnect the relationship. We should build new relationship. When we shake hand with your friend or somebody, or we hug somebody, there is a production of oxytocin hormone in your body which can produce a bonding relationship between two individuals. So if you should spend a life with friends, family, and relationships, especially you should build your relationship with your God, Almighty Allah, who created you. Then you should also build your relationship with your family member, your mother, your father, your cousins, your wife, your sisters, your brothers. Build those relationships with neighbors, and you will feel very, very happiness in your life. So bring happiness by producing all these hormones. Simple thing, that take some time out from your busy life, throw out the smartphones, throw out the cable network, throw out the TV, throw out the computer, come outside, sit with your friends, build a relationship, do exercise, eat right, take some sunlight, eat chocolates, eat your favorite food, do meditation, and these little things can bring lot of happiness in your body. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, so please share with your friends. See you in the next lecture. Bye.